So carrying on. Yes, for the body, I think I'm going to do for the torso, maybe for the hands instead. Maybe torso and the hand instead, or the arm rather. So let's select all of these. Let me just select this and push this to the side again. Okay, so let's first get something from the torso first. Most of this part is going to be covered by the clothing though, so I'm not sure I want to spend so much time in here. But let's just double click on this. Since we have a loop, since we already have a loop around there. Though I like to get this a bit lower though. I like to get this a bit lower. Double click. It's not getting low enough. Not low enough. Let me get something like so. Not low enough. I think here should be fine. Double click. No, I don't want to look like so. So let me just do it manually instead. Then I can carry on like so. Go across like so. Okay. Select this, select this, select this. I'm just thinking now, maybe I can do something more like going across here. Going across like so. Let's get this across like so, somewhere around here. Okay. Yeah, something like that. Something like that should be fine, I guess. Let me deselect this piece. Try to get as much as the torso as I possibly can. Okay. Across like so. Let me get this around here. Then like so. Let me I'll deselect this. Then I can deselect this also. Just to get something like this. Something like this should be fine. Yeah, something like this should be fine. Then obviously then I'll just come in here, select this part, okay, then go across, okay, you can cut across. Let me get this here, something like so should be fine. So we have this on both sides now, so now we can do a cut. So we should have this torso piece now. Let's just shift this, get this in here. Yeah, I think this is fine. Then we just have to Just have to continue on with this in the center. Let me double click. Let me see what that. Oh, I don't want this to go all the way now. I don't want this to go all the way up. So let me just deselect all of this. Select this. Select everything that has to do with the top part. Get this all the way. Maybe all the way in here she won't be fine. Then select this also. Yeah, we can do. Now I'm thinking maybe I can have this spread out like one single piece, or can cut it from the side. Instead of doing something from the middle, I can try to cut it from the side so that we have one piece for the chest and another single piece for the back. But let's see how it goes. Let's do a cut first. We'll figure out which one works best. Though the only thing is that since this part is not going to be visible, that much, so might even leave it the way it is. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have a bit of tension around here. But for the most part, it's actually okay. It's actually okay if you ask me. For the most part, if you prefer to add your seam line on the side, that's it completely and absolutely fine. If you want to, maybe you want to kind of separate this from the chest part, the front of the chest parts from the back parts. You can actually do kind of cut it from the side if you want to. But I think it should be just fine because we want to just have one full piece out of this. So this will work just fine. So now I can go to the arm part. So this arm part, I'm going to, let's turn this off for now. Let's start by selecting a loop. So double click on this to select a loop. Like so, that loop is fine. Come down here also, let's get a loop around this. That loop is fine. So you can do a cut. Yeah, that's fine. I think I'll just move this to the side. Okay, no, let me leave this here. I'm supposed to move this one. Let me move these two guys. Select this piece and move this in here. That's the weirdest thing. Did I miss a piece? Where is this piece from? Where's that? Strange. UV shell. I just let me just turn off this symmetry for now. Like this symmetry is messing things up. No, this is not separated out yet. Yes, I see it now. It's not completely separated out. So let's make sure we connect that completely. So cut. Great, it's not still separated. Okay, great. Let's select this cut. Let's go around this and check this properly. Let's see. Yeah, we have it separated out now. So let's turn on sim. No need. Let's just select this. Push this in here. Take this up. Alright. Let's do a bit more work on the fingers. I think I would like to isolate this in here. So I can do a better job in here without distractions. Okay, we can actually do something like this. Let's select something like so. Yeah, I'm on the wrong side. I want to kind of get something around this loop like so. Double click, double click, double click, double click, something like so. Then we're just gonna go do that across the entire model. Will it? Let me double click. Did that do anything? Not really. So double click. So we have a loop now that goes across. It's going to be slightly tricky. Okay, maybe not so much. Double click. So that continues on. Double click. Double click. Double click. Let's go to the other side. I guess this should be it. Double click. Yes, that is definitely it. So this goes across. Double click. Double click. Let me take a wide guess. Okay, should be this one. Double click. Double click. This should be double click on this. Okay. Double click. This one should go across. Double click. Okay, selecting on both sides. That's cool. Double click. I think here we might need to compromise in here. We need to be a bit of a compromise in here. Because I want to kind of get this. Let's get this around here. So select, then double click, then double click in here. So just get this across. So this is fine. Then we can now do a cut. Okay, so now I can. That's not separated out. Something is missing in here that we need to. Here we actually separated. So this is one piece. Great. There's an issue here. This one is not complete yet. This one is not complete. Let me turn this off. Something is not completely connected here. Okay, that's fine. I don't know why it was acting weird before. This symmetrical selection is just a bit messy sometimes. Let's select these two. I'm trying to figure out where I should kind of add the seam line. Probably on the under part. I think the under part will be fine. So let's turn on symmetry for this. Let me get something. You know what? Just to work a bit faster. Just to work a bit faster. Let me select this. Just to work a bit faster in here. So I'm just gonna do like a generalized loop around this. Something that goes across all the way like this should be fine. Why do I have two loops? Why is there a loop, an extra loop here? Let me deselect this. So deselect this. Since somewhere around there should be fine. I think it should be on both sides. Yeah, something pretty much like so should be fine. So I'll do a cut. Select all of this and do and turn this off. Then let's do an unfold. I still have this connected in a way. Whereas this is not so. Let's fix that real quick. Maybe I should even leave this. I think I like the way this is kind of getting two of them still connected in a way. Should probably do the same thing for the other side. So just to figure out where that is. Okay, it's towards the pinky. So I'll just select these edges, stitch together, then I'll fold. So the reason I'm doing this because I want to get them close to themselves so that I don't have one hand on one side of the UV space and the other part of the yarn on another part of the UV space. So let's just have this like this. This is fine. Where is let me kind of figure out where this is. Okay. Orientation feels a bit weird though for now. Okay. It is a small shifting parts should be just trying to figure out where. So I want to make sure the orientation is in the right place. It is around here, so select this and it's gonna rotate this way. Okay, yeah, its direction is fine. Let's check for the other side. Okay, direction is fine, so that's fine. Arranging the come on, why? This symmetry is just messing things up sometimes. Stitch together. Great. I have to do this for the other side also. Stitch together. Let me make sure I'm saving this file because it's very important. Okay. select this and put this up for now. Select all of these and do a layout. Let's just get this in the center first. Just give this a moment to load. Why is taking so much time to? We'll come back when this is done. Okay, so we have something in here now. All of this we're still going to have to arrange properly. Let me just see if I can get some of this orientation in first. Okay. This is another layout for this. Okay, so this should be fine for now. So in the next lesson we can just move on to the feet and then continue with the other parts of the model. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye for now. Okay, let's just check this. Let's check this. So there isn't more deformation in the. This is fine. There isn't more distortion in the rather. Yeah, this is fine. UV shell, select. Okay, this is fine. Everything seems to be working correctly as it should. Great. So carry on in the next lesson and just finish this up.